Hi, it's John here from thenailschool.co.uk. Today I'm going to look at this little thing that we bought from off eBay. What it is, it's a varnish shaker. Now quite often you get varnish and it's in the bottle and it's gone a bit, either the resin's separated and you've got to give it a good shake for ages. And what this does, it does it for you. So here's the machine that we ordered, and it's battery powered. Put 4 AA batteries into here, or you can plug it into the mains. It's up to you. Right, it's a really nice design, and all you do, it's very simple. You just get your bottle that needs a good shake, put it onto the top here, pull this round and lock it into position with this little strap, and then switch it on. And what it's doing at the moment is just shaking the bottle away instead of doing it in your hand. When you think it's done, just switch it off, take it off, and there's your polish nicely mixed, ready to use. So, all in all, excellent value for money. It's only just £20. Saves all that arm ache of shaking your polish. Of course, the longer you leave it on, the more it will shake it up. Another good thing as well is that when you perhaps thinning your polish with a bit of polish thinner, it really gives it a good mix throughout the whole of the polish. Of course, you can use it with gel polish just the same as well, where you've got a glitter gel polish and the glitter sometimes separates out. You can just pop it onto here and it will give it a really good shake. So it's John here from thenailschool.co.uk. Until next time, I'll say bye-bye.